This way. No, why? Okay, Pier 4. Pier 4. Ticket.
Yeah. Friend,
Ticket.
you ticket down. Okay. Ticket.
Check in.
Yeah.
เจ้าพระยา
No available.
Okay, you go straight and turn right, Pier 4. Okay, this way.
Turn right. เวลาปันมาไปเถอะ
It's gonna go. Okay. Oh yes. Patay ko to. Sawadika. May seating arrangement pala. O yun po do. Wow. May music.
You can see now the beautiful Grand Palace on the right side. โอเคนะคะตอนนี้ด้านขวาของเรือเรานะคะคือวัดพระแก้วนะคะถ่ายรูปสวยๆกับวัดพระแก้วได้นะคะด้านขวานะคะ Happy birthday We are now pressing the bridge. Please sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
ที่นะคะมองศีรษะนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะผ่านสะพานกันอีกรอบนะคะสะพานต่ำนะคะ Yes, be careful, be careful. Watch out for the hands. Please, please be
Alright, thank you so much. Wow, hi Tina.
Ay, naman yun lang friend, oh. Ay, maganda yun.
Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, we're presenting our second show. Ani sabay-sabay na. Wow, sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to present to you our second show. Please welcome the Cabaret Show. Welcome, Cabaret!
My woman is not a place I have to hide. Life not what I plan. Do you get?
Okay guys, tapos na yung dinner first namin. Okay ba? Enjoy ba? Enjoy.
Sulit ang takbo.
Mga pam, kumusta na?
Mga pang daw. Ay, gosh.
Okay, bye! Day 2 in Bangkok. Ayan, kakain tayo ng breakfast natin dito sa may bicycle. Yan ang breakfast naman. Ito na guys yung nakuha kong pagkain. How's your breakfast naman mga Malfoy? Eat. Okay, day 2 in Bangkok and we were going to what our anong Ayutthaya. We were going to Ayutthaya, Bangkok. Yeah. Temple. We will going to temple. Mapenray. Kapul crab. Okay, bye. Ito na naman sila.
What coffee shop? Friends, ditong na ito sila kahit 1, 2, 3.
Ano masasabi mo, Maira?
Ay, naku, friends. Ito, lagi. Wala
Kamu,
akong
Prab.
masabi. Kapagka. Grabe lang ang ano. Kahit 1, 2, 3, hindi sila marunong marunong.
Yes.
Yes, park. See the show right there. The island, yeah. See the show, island festival and show for there. After that, we are going to the ancient city. The program today. Yes. So when you come to Thailand, I tell you about Thailand. Okay, little bit. Now Thailand, Bangkok, the present capital. The population in Bangkok 10 million. And on of Thailand 70 million. Yes.
Okay, ayo tayo, park tayo. Lions Park. Zoo. Ito mga monkey. Ano ba yung monkey? Monkey nga. Oh, kakaibang monkey. Chiropote. Ano yung tsura niya? Ano siya? Wow. Ano ito? Ateles paniscus. Capybara. With home. Yan. Capybara. Who's capybara? Elephant! Oh, hyena, hornbill, deer, toilet, lily tiger, lion, crocodile show. Crocodile show. Oh, crocodile.
นี่วันที่2ครับมีชื่อว่าน้องกล่องถิ่นนะครับวันที่3ครับมีชื่อว่าน้องทองฟ้านะครับวันที่4ครับมีชื่อว่าน้องต้นหนังนะครับวันที่5ครับมีชื่อว่าน้องลักกี้ตัวที่6ครับมีชื่อว่าน้องจังกระจับครับตัวที่7ครับมีชื่อว่าน้องกระพีตัวสุดของน้องสุดท้ายครับมีชื่อ
Pag ano daw, halimbawa kumuha ka ng gamit dito, tapos papanaginipan mo, papabalikin ka siya.
Yeah, if you want, yeah, you take back.
No. I don't want small only. Can we ask
400 years ago, yeah.
Small only.
Not more than.
Small only.
What temple?
This one, no. This parang lagi mo daw mapapanaginipan, friend. This one.
So hot in here. Okay. Yeah.
Can we ask a favor first? We're just going to do a video for... We will follow you. We will follow. No, it's okay. We can
Okay na.
join.
You made me thoroughly walk. I go first?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Saan? Walk.
Thoroughly walk.
Okay.
Bad people come to take property of the king and queen.
There's a hole to go inside?
Inside have many property. But now cannot dig. Not have camera.
Pagoda.
Je connais pas toutes les...
And our last temple for the day. How's your temple?
Yeah, we're super lapot. Lay, lapot. Si Lay. Kumakanta ka ba? Lay.
Hi.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Welcome to the guys.
This is our vlog.
Hey guys. Bom.
And construction the temple. So I show you inside in the Grand Palace, but now no more. Only have the name Royal Palace. This is the first temple in 1350, the King construction.
Pero ito lang to, iba pa din yung part ng pinuntahan. Ang daming na-burn na. Pero saan yung ano yung mga ganun-ganun? Yan yung yun. Na naghiwa-hiwalay. Burn. Na kapyas. Pero parang yan na yung mabuuan ng lahat. Pinuntahan.
Yes, it's separate. Oh, some
So where are we? From this?
You look, the pagoda, see pagoda, right?
Yeah, right.
Before come to here.
So we're here.
The border, you look, the border of the pagoda, and here you look.
Tatlong pagoda daw.
You look.
Oo nga, ayan o, yung patat siya.
Right. Informal, I tell you, really big. So, pink it or
Cheers.
Ano lasa, kalpol?
yes.
Libre daw niya yan.
Ako kian.
Hike! Hike! Hike!
Thank you. Hindi naman na ano talagang pure na saging.
Last stop. Gasoline. Then, diretso na sa bahay. Ooh. Okay, dito ulit ang drop namin sa Siam Paragon and mall na bowling. Okay, dinner namin dito sa Siam Paragon.
Kuya pa kami?
Siyempre, ganyan talaga.
Ay, dito na pala yun?
Hello, no sure, dinner.
Good. Dinner good? Spicy but good.
Spicy, spicy, all spicy.
Well, spicy. Everything is spicy.
Yeah. Like that. Mango.
Everything is hot here. So hot.
So hot? I'm hot.
So hot.
Okay.
Crispy pork.
Crispy pork. Cook.
Kangkong.
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 Oh, kangkong. Kapong tra. Okay, bye. Day 3 in Bangkok. Lilipat kami ng hotel. Pupunta kami sa may Amber Inn naman. Ito ay yung Vice Hotel. Vice Hotel. Okay, see you later and try namin mamaya mag-tour. O yan na nga, day 3 here in Bangkok. Lilipat kami ng hotel going to Amber Inn. Sa may Prato naman yon. Kahapon nagano kami, summarize lang kahapon, tour. Via Kluk, Old Pagoda.
Ano yan?
Yun lang. Kanina, nakapag-breakfast ulit kami dito, pre-breakfast dito sa Vice Hotel.
Update mo?
Ang mga fans ko, hi Pam!
Hi pa!
Hi Kash, yung mga Kash!
Hi pa!
Yan. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We will transfer na to another hotel, mga Malpoy.
Uy! May vlogger tayo kasama.
Okay, bye! Okay guys, day 3 namin ngayon sa Bangkok. Si Mai mamaya, papunta na siya. Uwi na siya ng Pinas. Pupunta na siya sa mga magiging ano na siya, OFW. Ano na siya,
Iniwan mo to?
what's that? Dadalhin ko yan, siyempre. Of course, no? Mga Pam, yan. Hanggang ano pa kami dito, June 12. Kalayaan. Pero uwi na rin kami nun. May flight na rin kami na mas maaga.
Bye guys!
Bye guys! Update later. Akala mo naman mapupost to, may edit. Bye! See you later. Abangan nyo to sa vlog. Ha? Pag napanood nyo to, napapanood nyo na ako. Yun lang. Okay, goodbye. Okay, day 3. Dito na kami sa Amber Inn. Check-in and waiting 2 PM pa para mag-check-in kami. Iwan muna namin yung mga luggage namin. And yun lang. Bye.
Nila tayo naman dito, no? Pero pang nasa pa.
Ngayon lang. Ito yung ano, di ba?
Pinaanan natin. Ayun. Ano ba na siya pag-ibig? Madali pa rin. Kaitay. Baka? Oo. Kaitay.
Oo.
Magandang belt. Wala kasi nag-alerta. Biwit. Ayoko din sana. Tricycle. Tapos ganyan. Pero kung hindi tayo makarating. Ayun. Malayo pala.
May Thai, ano na, Thai rental na 150. 3 hairstyle, 3 accessories. $150? Free hairstyle and free ano lang. Oo. What Aaron?
Ito magaganda ang
Thai costume rental.
mahal dito.
200 yata dyan, oh. 3 hours. All day 600.
3 hours. Ay, wala.
Hair service. Makeup service. Okay, dito na kami dito sila magpapa rental ng ano, and hair and makeup, free hairstyle and accessories. Yeah, 150 pounds. Ganyan look. Pratunam Night Market. Kaya tayo dito? Dinner.
Hello, Thai food. Hello, chicken para pakalala.
Gentlewoman in the light. Hello, King.
สีขาวใหญ่อ่ะนี่